Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to sell your truck on Facebook Marketplace, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Take a moment to find the familiar blue Facebook icon on your home screen or app drawer, then tap it once to open. If Facebook asks you to log in, enter your usual email and password, so you land on your main Facebook feed. Once Facebook is open, look along the bottom or top of the screen for the Marketplace icon. It usually looks like a small shop or storefront. Tap Marketplace and you should see a new screen with items other people are selling nearby. If you do not see Marketplace, your account or region may not support it, and the options in the rest of these steps may not appear. Now that you are on the Marketplace screen, look for the Sell button. It is often near the top of the screen or as a large button that stands out from the listings. Tap Sell and you will move to a page where Facebook asks what kind of thing you want to list. A common mistake here is scrolling through the items instead of tapping Sell, so make sure you tap the button itself. Next up, on the Selling Options page, tap Vehicles. This tells Facebook that you are listing something with wheels, not furniture or electronics. When you tap Vehicles, the app changes to a special form designed for cars and trucks, so you get spaces for things like year, make, and mileage instead of random item details. With the vehicle form open, you now need to choose the right type. Look for truck in the list of vehicle categories and tap it, or pick the closest option if truck does not appear on your screen. Picking the right category helps the right buyers see your listing when they filter for trucks, not for motorcycles or boats. At this point, it is time to add clear photos of the truck. Tap the button that lets you add photos, usually labeled Add Photos or with a small picture icon. Then choose photos from your gallery or take new ones. Show the truck from several angles, inside and outside, because buyers often skip listings with only one blurry picture. If you add a photo you do not like, you can tap it again and remove it before you publish. After your photos are in place, enter the year of the truck in the Year field. Tap inside the Year box and type the 4-digit year such as 2015. The year helps buyers understand how old the truck is and affects how often your listing appears when people filter by age. From there, tap the Make field and enter the make of the truck. This is the brand like Ford, Chevrolet, Toyota, or another manufacturer. Type the name clearly because some buyers search by make only, and a spelling mistake can mean your truck does not show in those results. Next, tap the Model field and enter the model of your truck. This might be something like F-150, Silverado, or another model name. When you type the model correctly, serious buyers can compare your truck to others of the same type, and Facebook may suggest your listing to people who have viewed similar models. With that ready, tap the mileage box and enter the current mileage shown on the truck dashboard. Use numbers only and try to be accurate because buyers often ask about it first. If the mileage changes slightly while you still drive the truck, you can come back to this listing later and edit the number. Now, tap the Price field and enter the amount you want to ask for your truck. Type the full number in dollars, for example 15000 for $15,000. Facebook might show similar listings, so if you choose a very high price, your truck may sit longer before anyone contacts you. After that, look for the condition option and select it. Tap it once, then choose from the list, such as New, Good, or Fair, that best matches your truck. Be honest here, because if the truck has obvious wear but you select like New, buyers may lose trust and stop replying once they see it. Next, add the location where the truck is available. Tap the Location field. Then either confirm the suggested city or type your town or area. Facebook uses this to show your listing to people nearby first, so buyers do not contact you from a place you are not willing to meet. Now tap the description box and write a short description of the truck. Mention useful details, like any recent repairs, special features, and if there are known issues, in simple language. A clear description can reduce long message chains because buyers can see right away if the truck fits what they need. With all the details filled in, take a moment to review the listing. Scroll slowly from top to bottom, checking the photos, year, make, model, mileage, price, condition, location, and description for mistakes. If something looks wrong, tap that field and correct it now, because once people start messaging you, changes can cause confusion. Finally, when you are happy with everything, tap Publish. The Publish button usually sits at the bottom of the screen, and once you tap it, Facebook creates your marketplace listing. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation or the new listing page, which means your truck is now visible to buyers who browse or search in your area. You have now created and published a complete Facebook Marketplace listing to sell your truck. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.